Hello everyone, hope you are fine. We are late though we have to start our class now. I can see it is 18:22. So we are continuing with our quickbook lesson, which today, as we agreed before, we were supposed to do something about customer transaction, then something to do with recording customer information details. How do we record customer estimate? How do we record customer orders? Very simple things to do: recording customer invoices to sales invoices, invoices based on customer estimate orders. So to begin with sharing the screen, we are supposed to just go direct to our QuickBooks, and here we are, the accountant center. So we're supposed to be doing such things: invoices from the scratch, then recording cash sales, then we record credit memos or credit notes, then receiving customers payment. Let's start with that. So how can we record customer transaction? So for you to record customer transaction, we are supposed to be starting with the at a scratch, which we are supposed to be starting recording customers information. So to begin, for you to record customers information, you are supposed to click on customers menu. Here is the customer menu, and I told you before, for you to be a very good student, you're supposed to be familiarizing yourself with the windows within QuickBooks. So in Windows of QuickBooks, I said we have file, we have edit, we have view, we have list, we have accountant center, company, sales tax, we have customers, vendors, employees, inventory, banking report, windows, and help. So for us to record customer information, you just come here and click customers. Then after that, what are we supposed to be doing? Select customer center. So under customer, we have several windows. So you can see we have customer center, we have create estimate, create sales orders fulfillment sheet, invoice for time and expenses, create invoice, enter sales receipt, learn about EDI options, then enter statement charges, create statements, access finders, charges, payment reminder, receive payment, create credit memos and refunds, then lead center, add credit card processing, enter time, item list, and change, and very many others which are not shown here in QuickBooks. So for us to record customers information, come to customers, then customer center. Here it is. Just open it. After opening it, you go to add new customer. Add new customers here. Just come and press this here. Hope everyone can see this: new customers and job. Then you just, here we have new transaction. You can print your customer if you want. Then you can export it to Excel or Word or collection center. So for you to record a customer detail, come to customers, new customers, then there is a new customer here. Open new customer. Then it is loading. So provide a customer information appropriately. Like here, these are the customers I have. I have Brenda, I have Dr. Audrey, I have Steven. All these are my customers. So how will I add another customer? So just come here. There's a lot, some of the challenges. Let's handle the theory part so that we will just come to practical, because I can see, yes, it is back. You come to customers, then customers center, then you open it. So if you have opened it, we have active customers. Then below that, we are supposed to be adding a new customer. How are we supposed to be doing that? We have new, then new customers. Then here we are. So for us to add new customer, you have to provide adequate information about your customers. So let's say our customer is best lady. You just come here and write best lady as your customer, or a company. So you can just company name and customer name can just be the same. Just copy, then paste in the company as the customer's name. So we have best lady. Then you can just write one of the employees in best lady. You can write Mr. Kipchoge. Kipchoge Mudama. Just writing, adding a customer. Mudama. Hope everyone can see my screen. Which job title does Kipchoge has? Kipchoge has something to do with accountant. So Kipchoge is an accountant. Then you write any of his phone numbers. You can just come here 07 those takataka. Then you come back at this place. You write the email, any of the email. Then you will see the invoices too. Best lady Kipchoge Mudama. After adding address information, there is payment setting here. I hope you can see. Just click payment setting, then you add best lady's account number 0 that. Then after adding, you choose the term of payment. How will you pay your customer, or which method will customer pay you? So here we have 1%, 10, net 30. What does this mean? This means that if a customer pays within 10 days, he or she will be given 10% discount. Otherwise, if the customer pay after the 10th day, the customer will pay the full amount within 30 days. And so this is what we will be giving our payment term. Preferred delivery method. How do you want the delivery to be done? You can choose email, you can choose none if you want. Preferred payment method. Do you want to pay using cash, check, American Express, MasterCard? Let's pay using cash. Then all credit card information, you can leave it aside. Credit limit, you can give as many as 500,000, so that if you reach 500,000, you will not be able to give any payment to this customer. Then you click OK, which is here. Before clicking OK, you can add these sales tax which are not marked. You can add the sales tax code, country, Kenya, it is automatically there. Then additional information, customer type, you can choose who is from advertisement, Kenya Power, Kenya Revenue Authority, all that. Then you come to job information, you can add job description, job type, you just click the arrow, commercial, permanent, residential, kuna full-time, part-time, you can just include it here. Then job status, you click the arrow, kuna pending, awarded, in progress, you can just click in progress. Then you click OK after keying your job information, which is here. So you click OK. Then you will see we have a new customer which is lighted with green, called best lady. So best lady is one of our customers. If you want to add another customer, just come back to new, add new customer, then you wait for this. After this page has come, just add another customer. Which customer can we add? Let's say we have Shivling supermarket. Your market. You have Shivling supermarket. Then you can just copy this for company. just highlight all this, then you copy paste to paste. Here we are. Then you can just add any of customers name. These names I'm just giving them out. You can just write WWR XX ama CCX, then last name Omondi. That is customer's name. Job title human resource resource manager. Then phone number, you can give a phone number here 011 223344, like that. Then if you have email of that your customers, you can just give it here. If you want to give another mobile number, which is working mobile number, you can just give it here. Another mobile number, you can give fax, you give other, you give, and you will be having Shivling Supermarket. Let's just add a T here. Then after having Shivling Supermarket, you will be adding payment method, account number, just dial some numbers for account number. Then payment terms, so we can pay 2%, 10, net 30. What does 2%, 10, and 30 means? It means that if the customer paid within 10 days, the customer will be given a discount of 10%. Otherwise, the customer will pay the full amount in 30 days. Delivery term, you can just click none. Preferred payment method, you can choose check or MasterCard. Then credit information, you give them. Credit limit, you can just click 1 million. Then you come to sales tax setting, which is not mandatory. You can just write the KRA number if you wish, like business number if you wish. Additional information, customer type, you can choose from this, from advertisement, Kenya Power, Kenya Revenue Authority, referral, retail, telecom, wholesale. Job information, you can give job description, job type, whether it is permanent or residential. Start date, the day the customer started. Then projected end date, with the date the customer should supposed to be stopping the contract. Then after that, you just click OK. Then here we have our Shivling Supermarket, and that is all we to do with recording customer information. How can we record customers estimate? For you to record customers estimates, you are supposed to go to customers, and here also we have customers. So for you to create customers estimate, you are supposed to come to customers, then create customer estimate, which is here. Hope everyone can see this. So you just click on create customers estimate. So what estimate do you want to create to customers? So let's say that you have a date, then you say that the job title, this one don't mind, so we just have date. Today is the 4th of April 2022. So let's say this date was even on 1st of April. Just click 1st of April 2022. Then estimate number 12, meaning there are some estimate we have been recording before. So for us to continue, you are supposed to come to here items. Then you click at the box just below the items. This, just come here, click at the arrow, then you look at which estimate do you want to create. Here we have this. These are some of the estimate: accommodation, booking services, dress, massage, plastic table, kokobata, laptop bar, mango, menswear, motor van. So which estimate do you want to create for Shivling? Let's say that we want to create kokobata, which is an oil, the cream oil for the lotion. So you come here, come to kokobata, give it that. Description, body lotion, you can just write body lotion, lotion. Then that is description. Quantity, we can just give 5. Then if you click at this place, you will automatically see if that amount 5 times this 2000 will just come automatically. So you just come and click here. Are you seeing? So you get 2000 times 5, then a markup of 20%. So you can just write a markup of 0% so that you get the full amount. So if you take 5 times 2000, you're supposed to get 10,000. So there is no markup, there is no class, there is no tax. So the total amount is 10,000. Then you come here, save and new. If you want to save and new, if this is the only estimate you are supposed to be recording, you're supposed just to come save and close, and that is how you create estimate. Save and new, just click OK. Save and new. Customers field cannot be blank, so there is a place here for customers. Which customer do we want to be giving an estimate? Here we are supposed to be giving, we are talking about somebody to call with best lady, so that we have customers best lady. And you can see we created the credit limit for best lady as 5,000, and it was supposed to be 500,000. So you just come click OK, then you will be directed what we are supposed to be doing. So if it goes, you just come and save and new, just click yes, save anyway. Yes, and that sound means confirmation. So what is the other thing we were supposed to be looking? We were supposed to be looking recording customers orders. How do we record an order from customers? For you to record an order from customer, click on customers, then select orders. Click on customers, then click customers orders. We have create sales orders, but customers orders also is here. So create invoices, invoice from time and expenses, sales orders, create sales orders. Come and click create sales orders. That is how to create orders. So for you to create that order, you come here and select, let's say on the 10th of March. So you just come here the 10th of March, which is here. We have sale orders number 1. Then you select customer type. So you can say that on the 10th of March, Shivling, which is the supermarket, Shivling supermarket was able to give out shea butter. So you just come here, you look for Shivling super, or you just click here Shivling, and here it is, Shivling supermarket. The information and the addresses are coming here. Then on this date, the item that the customer orders were being recorded, or the sales orders were being recorded, were the mango. So you come search for mango, then you click mango, then you click description. So do not have sufficient quantity available to sell one of the items of mango. Press OK. This is a company, and no day a customer will order a product which is not there. So for mango, we don't have mango. Let's look something to do with the laptop. Laptop, we have nothing in laptop. So we are supposed to be adding some quantity for those items. Let's look for another product. We have menswear. Menswear we have. So description, you write khaki trouser, trouser. Then you write quantity you want, or ordered, I want 5. Then you come and click here, you have 3. So quantity at hand, you can only order 3, and you can just see how this software is very keen with everything. So you can just come here and order 3, which is there in the store. then you click here, you will get 7,500. Then you save and close. And that is how we are supposed to be recording customers orders. And that sound confirm we have recorded customers orders. What next were we supposed to be doing? We were supposed to be recording customers invoices. So for you to record customer invoice, click on customer, then select create invoice, click on customers, then create invoice. Just look, create invoice is here, control I. So come create invoice. So you will see an invoice at your desk. So we have invoice. Which company can we record invoice for? Let's say we want to record invoice for Shivling. So you just come and click here Shivling, and Shivling supermarket is there. Just click it. So you have this. Come and check this. Then just press OK. Okay. So for Shivling, which is the customer, we ordered men's khaki. Can you see? So we want to pay this invoice for that, the order which was put in place for men khaki. This is the order and this is what we were having at hand. So for you to record customer invoice, just select or click customers the way we have done, then select create invoice. Then invoice is based on customers estimate. So this is save and new. We have just recorded that invoice of Shivling because it automatically come when you are checking. So for us to record or to create invoices based on customer estimate or orders, let's say on date 15th, we are talking about Shivling here. Shivling, press OK. Then you come to date 15th of March. Just click OK. Then let's say a good example product. We were supposed to be creating invoices for estimate. Let's say mango. Come here, choose on that item. Then let's look for mango. Mango is here. Then we don't have anything. Just press OK. Let's work with the laptop. Come here, check laptop. Then we have -4, meaning we have nothing in store. So we'll be creating some as time goes. So for you to come and check for, let's try menswear. There are a lot of clothes in menswear. So menswear is here. We have 0. We had 3 and those 3 have been sold or have been ordered. So there's no anything in the store. We can come and try another one with items. Let's try motor vehicle if we can have something. So we have motor vehicle. Then description for this motor vehicle is black Toyota Wish. So that is the vehicle description. So you come to date, you change date. This is invoice number 4. PO box, this ones you can leave. The PO box, the terms which we created was 2%, 10, net 30. Meaning if the invoices is paid within 10 days, there's a discount which will be given of 10%. So that is what we have for description for motor vehicle. So just come You can write the total tag if you want. Let's say it is 50. Then you save and new. If you want to create another new one, save. That is good. So that is creating invoices based on customer estimate. How do we record cash sales in customers? So you come to everything you are supposed to be doing under customer is falling under the window of customer. So click customers, then come to select sales receipt. If sales receipt is here, you come and check it. So you have sales order fulfillment, or you can just come from the window. There are so many very many ways of doing this. You can just come home, then from the customers window you are going to look for record cash sales. So we have sales orders which you are doing. We have moved from sales orders, creating estimate, we have done that. Create invoices is what we have just done. Then receive payment, leave that. Then we create sales receipts or recording cash sales. So sales receipts, as you can see this, hope you are seeing this. This is where we are supposed to be recording our sales receipts. So you come here, click it. After clicking it, let's say that we on 20th of March, Shivling, which is the customer, there is a product of shea butter, then the quantity is 25. So you just come here, change date to 25th, then come to items, just below there, then shea butter, just click S. If there is no shea butter, you just come back here to new so that we can add it. So shea butter is an inventory part. What does the item entail here? Just write shea butter. After writing shea butter, leave all this the way they are so that you cannot interfere with everything. Just click on OK. Then we wait for our shea butter. We have income amount, product sales. Just press on OK. Then OK. You can be adding this amount. If you buy a product at 50,000 and you sell it at 55,000, meaning you earn an amount of 5,000 profit. So that is the cost. Then the skulls sales. I was just forgetting this, so it is very a must that there's something hidden here, but I can just enlarge it if there is need. So just come and press OK. Then the name is already used. Just press OK. Shea butter is there. So if shea butter is there, come here and write shea butter inventory part. So shea butter is here. Just click shea butter. Then description. Shea butter can be cream. Then you write quantity as 2. Don't want too much. Then you click save and close. You have only one quantity and you can only add a one. So do not have sufficient quantity available to sell to own the item shea butter. Quantity at hand is 1. So this is what you're supposed to be giving out. You can't sell, or you can't order, or you can't create a cash sales from what does not exist. So you just come here, close this window, close these two, and you change the quantity as 1. Then if you save, it will automatically go save That is okay. Sales receipt is gone. So what is it that is remaining under customers that we have not done? Recording credit memos and credit note. For you to do this, just come at customer. You can just even do it here, or you just come to customers, then you record or you create credit memos or refund. So for you to create a credit memo, you just look at what is needed, credit memo, and it is here, credit memo and refund. Just click on credit memos and refunds, then you wait a while. Then let's say a good example, on the 28th of March, 28th of March, that is the date. Product, we have shea butter. So shea butter, you just come here, click, or you can just search with shea butter, click, then description, we give it as cream, then quantity, let's say 1, then you just click save and close, save and close. So if you save and close, there's something that is remaining. Customer, I have said that the customer should be Shivling. Shivling should be our customer S. Shivling Supermarket. That is how to add customer credit memo. Create, save and close. And that is it. As you wait for the sound that it is recorded. And we are done. Okay. The last thing we are supposed to be looking at under customer, and it is very crucial for us to look at it, is how do we receive customer payment? You have been creating sales orders, estimates, or we started from creating estimates, we have sales orders, creating an invoice. From creating an invoice, we create sales receipt. How do we now we receive payment? For you to receive payment, come to customers, then select receive payment. You can come to customers here and select receive payment. Receive payment is here. You can just come and click this, or you can just come to home. After coming in the home window, click receive payment, then you will see what will be coming to your screen. So customer payment, which customer should we receive payment from? We are supposed to be receiving payment from, I think, best lady. Let's say that we want to receive payment from best lady. Customer receive from best lady. Let's write B, then you will be getting your best lady there. Payment amount, how much do you want best lady to pay you? Let's say we were supposed to be getting $100 from best lady. Payment method, do you want it in cash or check? Just write check, or you just click on check. Which date? Let's say today's date, which is on 4th. We're supposed to be receiving check from best lady. Then amount, that is it, account receivable. Then you come here, there are no unpaid invoices from this customer, meaning these customers have no any invoices for payment, meaning all his invoices are paid. And you can just opt out, you can just delete, or you can clear, whichever you like. You can just clear. Let's try another customers who we can receive payment from. Can we receive payment from Kenya Power? And what is it that Kenya Power can pay you? Surely. So you just look which payment can we receive from Shivling. Let's try Shivling. Shivling. Let's try Shivling. Shivling supermarket. Then amount. These are automatically, if you click Shivling supermarket, these are the unpaid. These are the only unpaid or customer payment we are supposed to be making. For us we are supposed to be receiving payment from this Shivling, because they ordered three. I think this were trousers, and they ordered another three trousers, so summing up to 7, so totaling amount to 7,500 and 500. If you add up this or sum up this, you're supposed to be 800. So, and for customers payment, just what amount do you want Shivling to pay you? Let's say you want customer Shivling to pay us that $8,000. So you just come, which payment, you just click here, MasterCard, Visa, direct payment. Let's click that. You can choose the date. For today we are supposed to be receiving payment on 4th. Then that you leave the way it is. Then you come and check payment from these two guys, and they are already checked. So after checking the box here and here, this is the payment we are supposed to be receiving from Shivling supermarket. So you are just going to come to save and close. If you close the window, you'll be getting a sound, and that is how we can record customers transaction in QuickBooks. Let's see something just little on banking. How do we do banking? So for banking, I'm just going to do it at a scratch, then we call it a day. So for you to record banking transaction, come to banking, click banking, then select charts of account. So you just come here and select charts of accounts. We have envelopes, then create, charges, use register, charts of account, or you can just come to banking sector. Can you see this? Banking is here. Then you click on the list, come to banking, then click on the list. You can either write a check, you can order checks, enter credit card charges, use register, make deposit, transfer funds, you can reconcile. So for that reason, if we want to create a bank account for your company, you're supposed just to come here. Now we are in creating bank account. How do we create bank account? You come to create bank account, then click on list. So you come to bank account, then you have bank feed, transfer fund, then you come, or you can just come here. If you can't find it here, there is also another option. If you want to create bank account, just come to list, then charts of account. Then if you come to charts of account, you will be creating account. So come here down, just below here where the cursor is, just click the arrow, then new. So we want to create a bank account. So bank account fall under bank. Click bank, then you press continue, so that we can create one of bank account, then we call it a day. Then what is the account number of bank account? Just give any number. So user Kenyan shillings, if you like, you can write Kenyan shillings. Description, here we are supposed to be giving bank name. Which bank can we use here? You can write NCBA. Then you put the currency. Description, you can just leave it the way it is. All this detail, you're supposed to be leaving it the same. If you want to create another bank account, you save and new. If you want to create only this bank account, save and close. So you will simply just click save and close, and we look if our bank account has been created, and here we are, we have our NCBA. So for us to look all the entries we were putting into the system, just come to reports, then you can come to company, financial, we have profit and loss standard, and you can come to balance sheet, then you click on balance sheet. So this is the information, just click on all to get all the information. These are our information in balance sheet, and you can see how smart they are. For you to get a balance sheet, you just come to reports here, click the reports, then you choose the account you want to view. So you can just see. If that is not enough, you can just come back. Yes, you can just come back to home, then from home page or from the accountant page, you come to accountant center. After coming from accounting center, or if you click on accounting center, which is here, you are supposed to be seeing all this information. If you come to home page, you're supposed to be seeing the same, but for accountant it's a different thing. Supposed to be coming to that. So that is what we had for today. We were just supposed to be looking for customers. I was just introducing something to do with banking transaction. Then next time we'll pick from there. You have only done transaction in banking, but we have not done recording interbank transfer or recording bank deposit, writing checks, but all of them are just here. If you come to banking, everything I'm talking about is just here. So you just come to banking center, then we have write checks, order checks and envelopes, create credit card charges, use register, make deposit, transfer fund, reconcile, banking fees. So next time we will be doing something to do with banking, how we do reconciliation, and that is all we will be doing next in our next session. Thank you all for listening for today's class. I think everyone have enjoyed, and if you have a question, you can just raise it as the recording stops. So for us today, we created an NCBA. You can see NCBA amount is just turned to zero because we have created it today, and there is no any transaction that has taken place using the banking. There is bank and cash balances. We have this amount, bank and cash balances, M-Pesa, that amount. We have capital amount or account, we have capital, then NCBA, then we have Stephen. These are the accounts which are there. Thank you all for listening. May God bless you throughout the remaining time.